Да здравствует 64-я годовщина Великой Октябрьской социалистической революции! Да здравствует Совет!
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for western Sacramento in Sacramento County until 5:55 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall causing flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rainfall. Source: Doppler radar. Impacts: flash flooding can lead to damage and leakages in buildings. Other locations impacted by the storm include College Glen, Rosemont, Land Park, Arden Arcade, Carmichael, Fair Oaks, Orange Vale, and Gold River. Turn around, don't drown by flooded roads. Most of flood deaths are current vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued for the following counties in California: western Sacramento in Sacramento County,